Hello friends, I just want today to tell you something. Yesterday I got a call from a lady, and she is actually a thyroid patient and wants to lose weight, and she was following FitTuber and watching his video. So she told me that she is not able to lose weight, and she is following his video fully. So I never heard before who is FitTuber. Then I watched his video that she was following, and I found some serious mistakes in that. Like he suggested 3 cooked meals in his diet, in his full diet plan during the day. And in weight loss journey, I do not suggest cooked food, because in cooked food we lose our vitamins and minerals and enzymes found in the food. So it is very difficult to lose weight when the food is not made up of enough nutrients. So I suggest raw food instead of cooked food during weight loss. Cooked food also takes more time to digest because of lost enzymes, and since it has low nutrients, our body keeps on craving food because our body needs nutrients. So I am suggesting you 100% fruitarian diet for weight loss. In this diet, I also saw that he suggested caffeine in between breakfast and dinner in the form of green tea. By taking caffeine, our body becomes enabled to detox. Caffeine inhibits our detoxing capabilities. So I do not suggest you to take caffeine if you want to detox your body, because in weight loss we detox many toxins out of the body. Our body holds weight in the form of toxins too. So we need to lose our weight in the form of toxins, in the form of excess fat. Cooked food takes less volume, and our body is like a jar. Say we have a 1 liter capacity of our stomach, and if we take cooked food, it takes less space. However, if we take raw food, it takes more space for the relevant number of calories. Like if we take watermelon, then even if we eat 2 kg of watermelon, its calorie content is less than the cooked food if we eat only 1 roti.
It's lunchtime, and for lunch we will have 1 whole wheat roti along with 1 katori of black chana and 1 katori of this delicious cucumber mint raita.
So FitTuber suggested only 1 roti in the lunch. So satisfying our hunger by eating only 1 roti is just not possible. And he forgot to mention anything like the person who is going to lose weight may be obese, may be diabetic, may be in thyroid, maybe he or she is a thyroid patient, maybe he has a fatty liver. So such patients needs to take toxins out of their body. He does not elaborated any detox symptoms because his diet is not going to do any detox. So I just want to say that on this diet it is not possible to lose weight, 10 kg weight. I just lost my 10 kg weight. I was 78 kg and now I am 68 kg. I am only eating fruits throughout the day. I am not taking salt, I am not taking any cooked food. My energy level is intact, and I am thriving. I am gaining more and more energy. And recently I ran 2 half marathons, which are first time in my life that I gained so much energy on raw food diet. FitTuber also included gluten in the form of 1 wheat roti, and gluten is never recommended because it inhibits detox, and it is very harmful in most of the patients who needs to lose weight, mostly in thyroid patient and in diabetic patients. Those who want to lose weight, gluten is very dangerous for them. So I just recommend do not ever take gluten. This video of YouTuber also says salt, dairy, caffeine, spices, and all these are unhealthy foods, and we cannot achieve anything on unhealthy diet. And FitTuber is a fit person, so he can do workout like anything, but the patients and the people who want to lose weight are not so fit, and they need to rest their body and lose weight. They cannot go for workout and lose weight. So in raw diet, body works on its own. It works intrinsically, and your body will lose weight on your own. You have to just rest and relax, and it will detox all the toxins out of the body. You will get detox symptoms like fever, diarrhea, vomiting, etc. You may feel weakness, but it is all for good. It is all for getting toxins out of your body. So I personally suggest that if you really want to lose weight, then you can lose weight by only eating fruits for whole day, and you can eat as much fruit as you want. There is no limitation. There is no limitation of number of timings, how many times you have to eat food. You can eat any number of times, any amount of fruit, and you will start losing weight, and you will get some detox symptoms. You may not get some detox symptoms because you may not have that toxic body, but eventually you will lose weight and you will go into the lowest range of BMI, healthy BMI. Your skin will shine and your energy will improve. And I just suggest you a sample diet, like you can take this time in the month of April. You can take watermelons, coconut water, bananas, melons, kakadis, and cucumber and mangoes. And it is better to have mono meal. You can make smoothies also. You can make banana mango smoothie. You can make only banana smoothie by just mixing water and some cashews in banana and just mixing with water. Every time you have to intake so much fruits that you are not going to feel hungry for at least 1 or 2 hours. So I just suggest you guys, please try this diet and live a happy life. Thank you.